In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English Term 2 Unit 2 Sports. Lesson 2 The Strength in His Weakness. Already we have seen in the last video, Agilan was a boy. He was good at studies and sports. His passion was learning judo. His physical education teacher was his inspiration. He was afraid to tell his parents about his passion in judo. One day, he told about the judo and he showed the certificate and medals to his parents. The parents were astonished. Come, let us continue the lesson. After a few months, in an accident, Agilan lost his left hand. That day onwards, he did not go out of his house often. He used to sit in a corner. His parents were keen to fulfill their son's passion. His father showed an advertisement of a judo school that he came across in a newspaper. Agilan saw the advertisement. His passion for judo energized him. He asked his father if he could join the school. His father, with tears of joy, got him admitted in the judo school. Agilan was very excited on his first day in judo school. His master was the best judo teacher in the town. His master trained him the basics before teaching the advanced skills. After few months, Agilan lost his left hand in an accident. He used to sit in the corner and did not go out of the house often. Yes, if we are in that situation also, we also do the same. So his parents decided to fulfill his passion. What is his passion? Yes, learning judo. One day, Agilan's father saw an advertisement of a judo school in newspaper. He showed to Agilan. By seeing that, Agilan was very happy and he was energetic because his passion made him to be energized. He asked his father to admit him in that school. His father was very happy to hear that and admitted him in that judo school. Agilan was very excited on his first day. Yes, when we join any course or any school, we feel very happy and excited, isn't it? What is going to be happen? Yes, he also was very excited. His master was the best judo teacher in that town. So his master trained him with the basics first before teaching the advanced skills. Everyone wondered how a boy with one arm could master judo. Agilan learned and practiced consistently for 2 years. He practiced only single stroke for 2 years. Agilan was surprised and annoyed as his master taught him only one stroke, but soon he mastered that stroke. Everyone in that judo school wondered means surprised, how a boy with one arm can master in judo. Agilan learned and practiced for 2 years continuously. He practiced only one stroke for 2 years. He have never learned any other strokes. He learned only one stroke for 2 years. And Agilan was surprised and also annoyed. Annoyed means worried, because he was learning only one stroke. His master taught him only one stroke, but soon he was mastered the stroke. He was very good in that stroke. If you are in Agilan's position, what will you do? Yes, going on learning the same stroke, you feel very bored and worried that I don't know any other things. How can I win? You may think that, isn't it? Yes, he also worried about that. Anyhow, he was mastered in that stroke because he was going on practicing only one stroke. So he was good in that stroke. No one could excel him in that stroke. To everyone's surprise, Agilan was picked by the master for national judo competition. Everyone ridiculed Agilan and his master, as they were not sure how a boy with one hand could win a national competition. To everyone's surprise, Agilan easily defeated all his 6 contenders with a single stroke. Agilan reached the finals. No one could excel him in that stroke. Yes, no one can good in that stroke except Aguilin. To everyone's surprise, Aguilin was taken to the national level judo competition by his master. By seeing that, everyone ridiculed means teased his master and Aguilin. See how he can take this boy to the national level competition because he had only one hand. How can he win with the one hand? Everyone teased them. To everyone's surprise, Aguilin defeated all 6 contenders. Contenders means participants with a single stroke which he had learnt. At last, he reached the finals. So, children, we should not tease others by seeing their appearance or by seeing their weakness. Everyone has some different talents. Let us continue the lesson in the next video.